Hi guys, and today we're going to take a look at the best drone on Amazon under $100. There are a lot of drones on the market today. Some of them are great, some of them are horrible. I know what are you thinking, but before you judge, allow me to show you what I have found. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get right to it. And at number 5, the best drone is, at top, X-Pac 2 Foldable Drone. The camera drone can capture video and photos. Simply connect your smartphone to two drones from X-Pac 2 stream live video. Take advantage of the first-person view and have fun. The view will be displayed directly on your smartphone and will give you amazing first-person view experiences. The drone for children can bring more enjoyment in your home, playing together with the kids. If you are in search of toys for boys and girls, then this drone will make a perfect for girls and boys. Gift idea. The charging cable has been upgraded, no longer do you have to worry about charging issues. The new charging cable is equipped with imported chips to protect against overvoltage to avoid accidents that result from inadvertent charging. The camera drone requires 5V, 2A to charge. In the event of a low battery, it is possible to operate the drone remotely and to return it to your home. Do not worry about losing control of the drone. Instead, make it more secure to fly. Also, make sure you have emergency stop-offs in case of need. This drone equipped with a camera for kids has been specifically designed for children and is simple to use. It is simple to take off or land. Simply press the 1 button to lift it off or take it off or land it. Altitude hold can maintain the camera drone at a particular height, making the camera drones for children. It is easy to control and capture videos or photos. Headless mode and 3-speed modes assist beginners in finding their way and advance when proficient. This RC drone equipped with a camera for children will do 360-degree flips and trajectory flight. If you draw a path from your phone and the drone will follow the line of sight. The drones for kids have 3 options for controlling them: remote app, remote, as well as voice controls. With the app XT Go, you can play with AR game mode as well as gravity sensor mode. The trajectory of flight and voice controls and more. The drone can be controlled using a voice command, such as takeoff, etc. You can experience more and save costs. The micro drone is equipped with an arm fold-up design that can fold to form the control. The size of the drone that has a camera for children is perfect for a child's hand. Therefore, the tiny drone is simple for children to carry around. Drones designed for children can be carried in a pocket and are mobile. Kids can use the drone for a ride with friends or family. Expand your horizons and have enjoyment. Do not think about how to operate, as it was intended for children who are just beginning to learn. Let's be a part of the fun. And at number 4, the best drone is Simrex X500 drone. X500 is extremely user-friendly. It includes optical flow positioning and altitude hold. The function of optical flow permits the drone to remain in its position with no pilot maneuvering, which leads to better stability in hovering and also ensures the clearest image. The main takeoff or landing feature is able to adapt to different levels of experience even for novices. A battery is able to provide between 8 and 12 minutes of flight time for each charge. This gives more time to complete a flawless fly. Additionally, Simrex X500 provides the ideal solution for outdoor and indoor flying. It folds up and is light, which makes it incredibly simple to transport. Take it wherever you go, and reduce space by folding it to dimensions of 110 by 80 as well as 35 mm. Update dual cameras, and switch the camera's view in a random manner that captures top-quality video and clear aerial images. You can observe the drone's view through your smartphone, and watch a live video feed far away. Phone direct control is a transmission, which works for Apple iOS and Android phones. When the direction of the fuselage is not be identified, the drone is able to switch to headless mode to continue to fly. The pilot is able to fly the drone wherever he wants without having to worry about which orientation the drone heading. Help X500 to prevent from losing the direction. One-step 3D rolling with special effects. Continuous roll to ensure perfect action and incredible performance. 3D flips feature makes flying attractive even for those who are new to drones. One charge gives between 10 and 13 minutes of flight, making your flight more thrilling and fascinating. In at number 3, the best drone is Neheme NH525 Foldable Drone. NH525 Mini Selfie Drone equipped with 45 degrees of adjustable 720 pixels HD camera that will increase your viewing angles and record every moment of your life. In addition, thanks to modern FPV real-time transmission technology, it allows you to view real-time images via app to capture stunning scenes. The drone comes with 4 propeller guards to ensure that you are safe from propellers spinning and protect that the propellers of the drone are not damaged by collision. 2 intelligent batteries can provide as long as 22 minutes of ultra-long flight duration. In addition, it can be able to reach up to 100 meters control range, giving you a more complete flight experience. A single step is all it takes to take off and return the drone to the ground, keeping it easy to operate for anyone, even novices. Other functions include headless mode features, speed adjustment, the altitude hold mode, and hand gesture video and photo. The best choice is enjoyable for those who are just starting out. After several improvements, NH525 is a multi-purpose drone that can perform tricks like 360-degree flip, high-speed turn, and so on. You can also sketch a path on the screen of the app and the drone will hover in line with the plan. And lastly, there are 3 ratio options to satisfy any need. You will have a blast using this small drone that folds up. The foldable blades and gift box design make the quadcopter drone compact. You can carry it wherever you would like. A more user-friendly design, it has a comprehensive guideline that gives precise instructions regarding the use and function of the HD drone. The gravity sensor mode enables the drone to follow the direction you move your smartphone. You can make the flight more interesting. In at second place, the best drone is Dee RC D10 Drone. D10 has a user-friendly interface. It has a key start or landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, speed adjustment features that can be adjusted to all levels, including kids and newbies. 3D flips feature makes flying attractive even for drone novices. The drone offers smooth FPV transmission at a distance of as high as 80 meters. You can record and capture 2K high-definition aerial video and then share it immediately via social media through the Dee RC app. D10 drones can fold up to a compact and lightweight design, which can easily fit into a backpack, ideal for traveling. It comes with 2 modular batteries that provide between 24 and 30 minutes of playing. 4 propeller guards to fully ensure the propellers are protected and enhance the safety of flight. Waypoints flying is the most recent technology that works by drawing an outline of a flight path on your phone. The drone will then fly in accordance with. If you show your palm or V to the camera in front of you, D10 will take an automatic video or photo. The drone can be controlled via the G sensor built into the drone, altering the horizontal and vertical settings of your smartphone, without the need for a remote controller. Control your drone with simple voice commands, such as landing, takeoff, forward, left, right and backward. It also helps you to discover the beautiful world in a special way. Draw a route on your app, then the drone will fly along the path you set, adding fun to your flight. With gesture control, you can pose to the camera to trigger phone taking and video recording. Free your hands free to take the complex shots. In at number 1, the best drone is Holystone HS260 Drone. The HS260 drone can record every unforgettable moment in your life. The camera's Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote control with 90 degrees upwards and downwards, so that you are on the move, playing sports or gatherings. The drone can record breathtaking and beautiful photos for you. FPV drone that captures this stunning footage in flight. It's possible to share it immediately with your family and friends by sending videos and photos directly to your phone via the app. You can upload them to social networks. Optical flow positioning, fixed point height, and the drone can take more quickly and consistently. With an air pressure control altitude technology, this drone will hover and shoot footage that is more stable and smooth. HS260 drone could be controlled via remote or the app. There are 4 major highlights including app control, gravity control, gesture control. Gravity control control the trajectory, along with gesture control. Download the app and begin your incredible flight. Free up your hands to catch a moment and get together to take group photos and videos. This RC drone includes a bag for storage. Place the box in your back and begin your adventure. Take it with you and travel anywhere in just a few minutes. The drone's flying capabilities are amazing that will bring back the bond between father and son when they go on hikes, camping with each other. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.